Hey YC, my name is Jordan Chrisley and I'm applying with an infinitely better alternative to the traditional apartment complex. I moved every year of my life as a young adult and I even spent 2 years in jail as a young adult. That background only made me more driven and made me want more for myself. Since then, I've been a bartender, server, coach, manager, and a million other things. I taught myself software before getting into the field, and thanks in part to YC and the content you guys have released, I've been teaching myself a lot about business as I work on my own inventions and my own businesses in the spare time that I do have. I've lived in a million places, including apartment cities, the country, the city, houses, hostels, everywhere you could probably imagine. And it gave me a unique idea for the business that I haven't seen any other company pursuing, frankly. I've always dreamed of attending YC, and I'd be honored to attend if you guys would have me. I'm determined to make this idea happen one way or another, but I know the fastest, safest, and most exciting route for me is going to be joining YC Winter 2025, and I'd be honored if you guys have me. Thank you.